Mango Kids TV.
Let's learn our ABCs.
Hey learners, it's Mango Kids TV.
Wow! Look at all these amazing things. Hello kids, let's learn the letter A. This is the letter A. A is for ape. Apes love climbing trees. A is for apple. Apple is a yummy fruit.
Apple!
Great job! A is for alligator.
Alligator.
Alligators live near water. A is for ant. Ant. Ants are tiny and hardworking.
A is for ape.
Apes live in jungles.
A is for astronaut. Astronaut.
Astronauts travel to space.
Astronaut.
A is for asteroid.
Asteroids fly in space.
A is for aquarium.
Aquarium.
Fish live in aquariums. A is for avocado. Avocado is healthy and green.
Avocado.
A is for ambulance. Ambulance, ambulance. It helps people in emergency. A is for airplane. Airplanes fly in the sky plane. A is for apricot. Apricot. Apricots are sweet fruits. A is for axe. An axe is a tool.
Axe.
A is for Arctic fox.
Arctic fox.
It lives in cold places. Great job! Today we learned the letter A.
Hi super learners, I'm Mango from Mango Kids TV. Today we learned amazing letters from Read, Play, and Smile together.
Tap subscribe and keep learning with us.